When a Sigma male enters extreme survival mode, something extraordinary happens. This is when his true essence emerges, unshaken by chaos, unbothered by doubt, and unstoppable in pursuit of his goals. Unlike others, a Sigma doesn't crumble under pressure. Instead, he adapts, strategizes, and thrives in silence, finding strength in independence and power in solitude. He isn't bound by society's rules or expectations but charts his own path. This resilience is what sets him apart, and in survival mode, it becomes his greatest weapon. Whether overcoming life's toughest challenges or outsmarting the odds, he is built for this. This video will uncover how you, as a Sigma, can unlock this heightened state of focus, adaptability, and mastery. It's not just about surviving, it's about emerging stronger, sharper, and more unstoppable than ever. 1. Hyper-aware of his environment. When a Sigma male enters survival mode, his awareness of his environment transforms into something extraordinary. It's as if the noise of the world fades, leaving only vital details others miss. He notices subtle shifts in someone's tone, the lingering glance, or the faintest change in his surroundings. These are not random observations, they are tools he uses to assess, adapt, and respond with precision. This heightened situational awareness is not a superpower but a skill honed through his constant need to observe, analyze, and understand. Unlike those who rely on groupthink or scripted behavior, the Sigma male operates on raw instinct and calculated reasoning. He doesn't just see what's happening, he understands why, what might come next, and how to position himself for the best outcome. In chaos, while others panic, freeze, or act impulsively, the Sigma remains calm, reading the room like an open book. A glance at someone's posture reveals confidence or insecurity. A distant sound warns of incoming trouble. His mind cuts through distractions, providing clarity to make swift, grounded decisions. This isn't about paranoia, it's about preparation. The Sigma controls how he interacts with his environment, trusting his instincts and respecting his adaptability. This clarity becomes his greatest weapon, allowing him to outmaneuver challenges before they fully materialize. 2. Adapts like a chameleon. In survival mode, the Sigma's adaptability becomes his sharpest weapon. Like a chameleon, he shifts his demeanor, tone, or approach to blend seamlessly into any environment. This isn't about being fake or manipulative, it's about survival in a world where rigid behavior often leads to failure. In hostile situations, the Sigma knows how to stay under the radar, becoming practically invisible to potential threats. He observes quietly, picking up on unspoken rules and dynamics, and then adjusts his behavior to fit the moment. Whether it's appearing unassuming in a room of dominant personalities or stepping up as a calm, decisive presence when leadership is needed, his adaptability is unparalleled. This skill is not about conforming out of weakness but about navigating challenges with precision. The Sigma knows when to blend in, when to stand out, and when to disappear altogether. His fluidity turns uncertainty into opportunity, making him a master of any situation. 3. Master of improvisation. When traditional solutions fail, the Sigma male's ability to improvise becomes his superpower. This is more than just making do, it's about seeing possibilities where others see dead ends. Operating on instinct, ingenuity, and uncheckable determination, he can craft tools from scrap, solve problems others consider unsolvable, and adapt to changing circumstances without hesitation. For the Sigma, improvisation is both a physical and mental game. Physically, he can create makeshift solutions like using a piece of rope as a temporary belt or fashioning a shelter out of discarded materials. Mentally, he connects dots others overlook, forming unexpected alliances or leveraging unorthodox methods to outwit challenges. His mind thrives on unpredictability, turning constraints into creative fuel. While others waste time sticking to conventional approaches, the Sigma has already mapped out alternatives, leaving everyone else scrambling to catch up. 4. Recalibrated morality. When survival is on the line, the Sigma's moral compass doesn't break, it shifts. His principles remain intact, but they adapt to harsh realities. Guided by an internal code, he redefines what's acceptable based on the situation. If survival requires bending societal rules, making tough calls, or walking a ruthless path, he does so without hesitation or regret. This recalibration isn't about abandoning values. It's about embracing pragmatism, the The Sigma understands that clinging to rigid ideals can be a weakness in extreme situations. Instead, he operates with raw honesty, acknowledging the gray areas others fear to tread. His decisions may seem cold or ruthless, but they are guided by a higher purpose, protecting what matters most and ensuring he emerges stronger. Point 5. A predator in the shadows. In survival mode, the Sigma male becomes a calculated predator, silent, deliberate, and efficient. He doesn't act impulsively but waits, observing his environment and understanding every variable before making a move. Each action is precise, ensuring maximum impact with minimal effort. Unlike those who rely on brute force or loud displays of dominance, the Sigma leverages subtlety and intelligence. He gathers crucial information, identifies weaknesses, and positions himself advantageously. When he strikes, it's with precision and purpose, leaving others in awe of his effectiveness. This ability to operate from the shadows makes him a formidable force, capable of dismantling threats before they even realize they're in his crosshairs. Point 6. Breaks rules intentionally. Rules are often obstacles in survival situations, and the Sigma male is unafraid to break them when necessary. This isn't about reckless rebellion, it's about calculated defiance. He recognizes that rigid systems can hinder progress and survival, so he challenges them with purpose. By intentionally breaking rules, the Sigma opens doors others wouldn't dare approach. His defiance is strategic, not chaotic. It's about finding better ways, blazing new trails, and thriving in environments where others falter. This fearless willingness to challenge norms is a hallmark of his resilience and adaptability. Point 7. Prioritizes efficiency over emotion. In extreme situations, efficiency becomes the Sigma's guiding principle. Emotions are not suppressed but are set aside to make room for clear thinking. He prioritizes results over sentiment, focusing on what must be done rather than how it feels. This detachment allows him to make decisions that others might shy away from due to fear or emotional hesitation. The Sigma doesn't see this as coldness but as clarity. By staying laser-focused on efficiency, he turns crises into opportunities, making quick, calculated moves that ensure survival and success. His ability to set aside emotion when necessary is a powerful tool that keeps him grounded and effective under pressure. Point 8. Silent but calculated leadership. Leadership isn't something the Sigma seeks, yet it finds him. In survival mode, his calm demeanor, rational thinking, and problem-solving abilities naturally draw others to him. He doesn't need loud proclamations or displays of dominance. His quiet competence speaks volumes. The Sigma leads by example. He analyzes situations, devises strategies, and executes them with precision. This inspires trust and confidence in those around him. While others flounder in chaos, the Sigma's silent leadership creates order and drives success. His focus isn't on recognition but on achieving results, which makes him a powerful and dependable leader in critical situations. Point 9. Radical self-reliance. Self-reliance defines the Sigma male, especially in survival mode. He trusts no one but himself, ensuring that he is always prepared for the unexpected. This independence isn't born of arrogance but of necessity. He trains his mind and body to endure strain, pushing himself beyond limits that others wouldn't dare approach. The Sigma's radical self-reliance ensures he's never caught off guard. He anticipates challenges, adapts swiftly, and maintains control even in the direst circumstances. His ability to endure both physical and mental hardships without complaint makes him a formidable force. Adversity doesn't break him, it refines him, turning every challenge into a stepping stone toward greater strength. Number 10. Strategic patience. The Sigma male understands the power of patience in survival mode. While others rush into action out of fear or desperation, he bides his time, carefully analyzing the situation and waiting for the perfect moment to act. This isn't passivity, it's a calculated strategy that allows him to make the most of every opportunity. Patience gives the Sigma an edge in high-stakes scenarios. Whether negotiating, navigating conflicts, or outmaneuvering opponents, he knows that acting too soon can be as damaging as acting too late. By observing and understanding the dynamics at play, he positions himself advantageously, ensuring his moves are not only effective but decisive. This trait also extends to his long-term thinking. The Sigma plans for the future, setting aside immediate gratification to focus on sustainable outcomes. In survival mode, this strategic patience becomes his shield against rash decisions, allowing him to remain calm and composed while others are driven by panic. It's not just about waiting, it's about knowing exactly what you're waiting for. If you found these insights helpful, feel free to leave a comment. If you're unsure about what to say, simply write "done" to let us know you watched until the end. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, we invite you to subscribe now and become part of our channel. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.